Alright, Yon World, this is an informative video. Only use SMM panels for Spotify. Now, I'm about to tell y'all a secret, man. This is how you earn money online, right? This is the easiest way to earn money online, right? Record a song or audio. You know what I'm saying? You have all the tools at your hand, right? Record a song, man. Or you could, if you don't want to record a song, you could pay for somebody on Fiverr. You could pay somebody on Fiverr to make you an audio, right? This is the game. I'm about to give y'all the free game. You pay for somebody to make you audio. You upload it using DistroKid. This is the easiest shit in the world. I did this shit for years. I'm just trying to put y'all up on game. Whether you take advice, take advantage of it or not. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to use your own music if you don't want to. You could just upload some shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Now, like I said, you also buy some shit on Fiverr. Upload it on DistroKid, right? Go to Follow Snake, right? Go to Follow Snake. You load that bitch up. You load your account up. You load the site up through PayPal. You know, put like 500 on that mug. Put like 500 on that mug and run promo to your song. Run promo to your song. Off that 500, you gonna make 1,000. Now you could reinvest that 1,000, or you could keep adding. What y'all gotta understand is the streaming game is slow at first, man. The streaming game is slow. It take 2 months from the time you start this hustle. It take 2 months for you to start getting paid. After that, you get paid every single month, and you gotta be consistent because you only get paid based on your work ethic. You only get paid based on what you put into it, and you only use SMM panels for Spotify, man. For Spotify, man. This is the golden opportunity, y'all niggas. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to tell y'all in the best way I can, because I keep making videos and people keep asking me the same question, man. And you know, I need a fee, man. I need at least $100. Like, don't hit me up, nigga, if you don't got $100, man. Don't hit me up. Just try to read in between the lines on this video and figure it out, because it's simple, man. A lot of people, I'm talking about, people be hitting me up, bro. Sometimes people don't even comment on the video, they just hit me up like, hey. And it be a lot of people, so I'll be responding late sometimes to everybody. I look in, it be like 14 I said 14, it be like 14 messages. Y'all all send me about the same shit about SMM panels. Like, do it work? Do not use the shit for Instagram. Do not use the shit for YouTube, man. I never used SMM panels for YouTube. Never used SMM panels for Instagram. That's free game, man. That's how it works, man. You get a 50% return on your investment every time you do it, man. Just be smart, man. Y'all niggas is acting like this shit is hard. This shit ain't hard, bro. You know, I wasn't gonna tell people about this shit. I wasn't gonna tell nobody about this shit, but you know, it's like I was just in a giving mood. You know, I'm like, let me tell people this game. And you know, y'all could be scared to do it. You could be scared all you want, man. You could be scared to make money all you want, but you know them niggas that you mad at, you know, the big corporations, the motherfuckers that's having all that shit, you know what they doing? Getting down on your ass. They getting down on your ass. They gonna keep getting down on your ass. You could be a loyal servant all you want, man. I'm probably Haitian for real, cause I fought back. I'm probably Haitian for real. But yeah, man. I know this video everywhere because I'm tired of telling y'all how easy it is to get this money and y'all not listening, man. Y'all not listening, bro. Y'all not watching the whole video, bro. I got the analytics, bro. Niggas is watching this shit 3 minutes, clicking off, bro. So I got the analytics. I know how this shit work, man. Stop playing with me. Now, look. This is the game. I'm about to tell y'all one more time. In the most simple way. Record an audio, at least 1 minute. The best audio is 1 minute. It don't take much. If I showed y'all all my, I don't want to show y'all all my albums because that's just hot. That's hot. That's too much. Y'all, 50% of y'all is the feds. So you just gotta take it or leave it, man. I'm just giving you the game. This is the game. Create a 1 minute audio. You could literally be like, beep bop, boop bop bop, beep 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 bop. I'm talking about goofy as hell. Goofy. You could get your little kid to record a song, man. It's 4-year-olds getting money. Streaming. Stop playing with me, man. Y'all. Look. Download, make a song. 1 minute. If you don't, you can record an iPhone recording. Nigga, send it to your email. Motherfucker, go to Lander, get it mastered. Motherfucker, $25. You know what I'm saying? This all online. You know what I'm saying? DistroKid. Upload it on DistroKid. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you get on DistroKid in about motherfucker 1 to 3 business days, start promoting that shit. You know what I'm saying? Start promoting that shit immediately. And go to Follow Snake and load your site with 500. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take money to make money. I don't know who taught y'all. I don't know who taught y'all, but it take money to make money, man. So you gotta invest in this shit. But your return on investment, your ROI, is a 50% profit margin. Meaning, when you invest 500 in this shit, you really make 1,000. You gonna make $1,000. So, hey man, I'm just letting y'all know the game. I'm just letting y'all know the game so y'all can get out here and get your slice, man, cause it's billions of dollars, man. Billions of dollars. Billion. There's somebody that you don't know in Russia somewhere making that bag, boy, off of Spotify. All off of Spotify, man. So, it's your boy, man. I'm just trying to put y'all up on game, man. Let y'all know, man. They down here getting down, boy. Them record labels, they been pimping. They been pimping niggas like hoes. They got the rap gang pimped out, don't they? They even buying the big playlist because they know what time it is. Hey, man, don't use SMM panels for nothing else but Spotify, man. Fuck all that Instagram, Facebook. Well, you can run up your Facebook and get money too. Let me know if y'all want that method or the real ones who watch up until this point. I know a lot of people clicked off because y'all got ADHD and shit. But you can even run it up on Facebook, on the Facebook page, get 10,000 likes. You can start getting money on Facebook. But if y'all want that free sauce, let me know. But the real sauce, man, is the streaming. I'm telling y'all, if you make the audio, it could be anything, man. I got meditation. I got whole meditation albums. I can't even tell y'all what they doing, but they doing shit. So, whole meditation albums, but you can literally have one song and run that bitch up and be a nobody, and nobody gotta know you, and you could just be collecting back end money on every month. You know what I'm saying? But it requires investment. So, like I did it for a minute and made money off of it. I still do it to this day, but not to the scale on which I was doing it. Like, but now, I just do it like, at least if I get a band a month from that shit, I do that because I got other avenues now where I make money. So it's not like how it used to be, when I was going heavy with it. That's why I'm really sharing the secret with y'all, because I done had my run with it. So I'm just letting y'all know, like, man, if y'all want some money, man, all you gotta do is make a little song, put that bitch on Spotify, use DistroKid, man, use DistroKid, Level Music, man. It's some low-key ass music distribution companies that you could just make bands with. It's like they know too. So it's, man, you just gotta, if y'all really want to suck, man, $100, your boy, Cash App YON WORLD, man. Just actions speak louder than words, man. Stop talking, bro. Like, just stop talking, stop asking questions. I hear y'all, bro. I see y'all. But, like, scared money don't make no money. So you just gotta do it. Like, you just gotta, actions speak louder than words, man. So make you a little 1-minute song, put that bitch up through DistroKid. It's simple, nigga. What you about to invest is nothing compared to what you getting back, man. It's nothing, bro. Like, I really wish I could just, you know, show y'all this shit, but you know what I'm saying. Like I said, some of y'all niggas the feds, but yeah, just make your little song, upload the DistroKid. You can even get so cold. That's why DistroKid was so cold. Like, I fucked up my relationship with them. You know what I'm saying? Making my shit high. Like, they really didn't even know what the fuck was going on until I started asking questions and doing too much, wanting too much money. Like, it was just, I got a little greedy. So I fucked up my relationship with DistroKid. But you know what I'm saying? DistroKid, they'll let you fly, boy. I'm telling you, DistroKid will let you fly. So you could drop your shit on there, bro. I'm telling you, like, stop wasting time. Get your shit on there, run it up through the panel. It's gonna literally report. You're gonna literally see the streams on your DistroKid backlog. Like, damn, it take a little bit for the money to start hitting, but when it start hitting, bro, like I said, it's a little 2-month period on this shit. It's like it's something that you gotta plan out. You know what I'm saying? You plan this shit out. But yeah, man. You can even get this code. It's just uploading on Spotify. That's what I was gonna say. You can just upload it on Spotify. You don't even gotta be on all the other streaming platforms. Spotify's so big and so motherfucking finessed out. Y'all don't even realize, bro. Like, the Russians, nigga, on Spotify. Fuck what y'all heard. Fuck what y'all heard, bro. Bangladesh on Spotify. Fuck what y'all heard. So yeah, man. You could really run it up and, you know, just get your money, stay out the way. You know what I'm saying? That's your boy, YON WORLD. I'm out.